Good afternoon, folks. As I jokingly said yesterday, this is the closest I will look to being a surgeon because of the mask that is set below me. I just wanted to pass a simple message to everybody. This is a difficult period for each one of us, whether you are big, medium, small, whatever. Now, over the last few weeks, we have been waiting for government to give us stimuli on various, on various fronts. For whatever reason, and I do not want to get into the political, reasons for all this, the stimuli has failed to enthuse most people. And as far as the real estate industry is concerned, there is no real stimuli. Now, telling people to go and borrow is a simple thing. My mother used to always say in Malayalam that you don't have to teach a beggar how to beg. So, you don't have to teach us how to come and borrow, but do you need to borrow when there is uncertainty in the market? So it will be ideal to keep the borrowing part away, ignore the stimulus part of it, ignore the negative reactions, the lot of fuzz and noise that's going around us, and try and focus on what is in our control. We may succeed, we may fail, but let's not end feeling that we didn't try. That's what we need to do. The intent has to be there, and we have to make an effort, and we must try our best. Thank you.